Hi, welcome everyone. I am Goindasamy Srinivasan from goindasamysrinivasan.com. Welcome to my Grand Champion review. This is an awesome product brought to you by Phil Johansson and Dan Khan. And I put together some awesome bonuses for those of you who would like to pick Grand Champion through my link. If you want to buy this product, you can go to the first link below in this video, which will bring you to this bonus page. And when you click on of these buttons, it will take you to the sales page where you can go and buy Grand Champion. But you need to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because when that happens, all my bonuses will expire, and I don't want that to happen. Now let us look at what is Grand Champion all about. It is time for you to become Grand Champion. Awesome product. Grand Champion will show you how you can sell anything you want by providing value while selling at the same time. This is an indirect selling method, which is a new marketing method. This method has been 100% proven by Dan himself, and he is doing it on a daily basis. He has perfected this method over the last 9 months to ensure that the best rate of success is available to anyone. If anyone has been following Dan on YouTube or Facebook, then Dan has been posting the results he got from this method. If you take a look at Dan's YouTube channel, his first link goes to the same funnel he is using in teaching in what he's teaching in Grand Champion. Okay, this is not just theory, it is a 100% battle tested and proven method. Okay, it's a proven method, it's a beginner friendly, it's a very new method. You can use free and paid traffic, which is included in this program, and there's a step-by-step over-the-shoulder training available. Now if this interests you, then please stick around, because I'm going to give you more details regarding this product and all my bonuses. Now let's go look at the bonuses. Now this program uses a step-by-step method where it teaches you how he sets up his own funnel, which you can copy and paste. Now he shows you some traffic methods, free and paid traffic methods. But I want to give more options to my subscribers who can have an option, who may have less budget, more budget. So I have put first bonus is it's an underground traffic source, which is a course which you can learn step by step how to drive tons of free traffic to your Grand Champion funnel. Okay, the second bonus is a paid traffic method, which is the Bing ads. Now the other paid traffics which are normally people use is the Facebook ads or Google ads, which are expensive compared to Bing ads, but they have more people coming into Google and Facebook. Now Bing ads, you do not have that kind of customer base, but they are nevertheless very targeted, and if you have a low budget, then you can definitely use Bing ads to drive traffic to your funnel. Now the course Grand Champion tells you about a free traffic method, that is the YouTube traffic, where it teaches you in brief how to set up your YouTube channel, how to find keywords to create your videos around, a secret paid method by which you can boost your YouTube videos to rank higher, giving you access to a YouTube ranking course where you learn step by step, starting from how to set up your channel and how to research your keywords using free tools, and how to make your videos even without showing your face on the camera, and various methods how to rank your YouTube. This is an awesome course. Definitely you should go through it if you are on YouTube. Fourth bonus is a special bonus I have put up for my subscribers, and basically when you use this method to earn money as a Grand Champion, you need to give bonuses or a lead magnet to your subscribers to opt into your list, and also you need products to sell. Now both these are available in this bonus, which is a silver membership for full 1 year, 12 months, okay, to a popular internet marketing private label rights membership. So when you will get access to video courses, ebooks, and complete courses where you get private label rights, resell rights, and some have master resell rights, which you can use as a lead magnet. You can actually resell right products you can actually sell through your this funnel. So it's an awesome as a membership, which is normally cost more than $200. I am giving you free with this as a bonus for picking up Grand Champion. Now the bonus number 5 is all the vendor bonuses. The vendor is giving you some awesome bonuses which you can access from here. If you want to claim all these bonuses, you need to purchase the front end product, which is costing only $12.95. And when you click the first link below this video, which brings you to this bonus page, and when you click one of these buttons, it will take you to the sales page, and when you click on this button, it will take, you can go and purchase. So after you purchase Grand Champion, then you can go to your Warrior Plus account and you can get your purchase receipt, which will look like this. And when you press the blue button, you get access to all the bonuses which I have mentioned. Okay, now let us jump into the sales page. Now the sales, this is the sales page which you will get access to when a product gets launched. It says the proven system that turned a broke college student into an online sales generating champion. This is never before seen, no experience needed, works for everyone. Now the college student is actually Don Khan, who is now 22 years old, and he has perfected this method. Okay, you set it up one time and continue to profit for life. This is a fairly new method where nobody is teaching you. It's quite newbie friendly. Step by step training is included, and it works. You can sell any product with this. It's completely tested and proven, and when you use this method every time for a new product, you will always make money with it. Now this is, you watch over his shoulder, over Dan Khan's shoulder, as he shows you how to make money by selling anything you want. You will discover exactly how to get traffic flowing so you can make money. You will be able to copy his exact system to get similar results. So these are some of the income proof he is showing. He actually, inside the course, he shows you the actual sites where you can see the income proof. Now you can go through all these details on the sales page at your own time. I am not going to go through each and every item. Now let us jump into the members area and show you what you get in Grand Champion. We are in the members area of Grand Champion, and I am excited to show you what this course contains. Now this course has been brought to you by Phil Johansson and Dan Khan, and this is Phil Johansson. He welcomes you to the program, and there is a free training on how to make $40,000, and you can go through that if you really are interested in making high income. Now this course starts with a mindset training by Philip Johansson. Now to be successful with any program, you need to have the proper mindset. Whatever good product or proven product you have, and you need to have a proper mindset to be able to implement things properly and consistently. He teaches you what is your why. See, if your why is not strong, you will not be able to push yourself to go through all the steps and start earning money. Now second part is you need to visualize your success. It means when you are successful, what that means to you and how it will change your life. You need to visualize all this. These two things are very, very important when you want to have success with anything online. and Philip has done a wonderful job explaining it, this why and this visual success. Now after completing this, now you come to the main program, which is the introduction to the Grand Champion by Dan Khan. Now he gives you what this Grand Champion is all about and how it is important to you to implement the system step by step to be successful. Now before you start this program, there are some weapons you need to have, that is some tools you need to have to implement this program very successfully. So he talks the system what you need to set up. Okay, so he talks of a ladder where you start by promoting a low ticket product and then step by step in your funnel going to a high ticket product where you can make higher commissions. Now he shows you how to do your product selection, which are the networks you need to search to find the right product to promote. As the program says, you can promote any product, so you choose a product which you like and you want to promote. Okay, next is you need a page builder and an autoresponder. Now the page builder is where you set up your campaign. Okay, Dan Khan uses ClickFunnels where he has set up all his pages, and you can go to ClickFunnels, which is little expensive. He also shows other page builders which are not very expensive. You can choose anyone you want. Okay, then you need autoresponder where when you get leads into your system, you need to follow them up with follow-up messages. So he recommends Aweber, which has got a 30-day free trial. Okay, these are the tools which you require. You need to know who your target customer is. Okay, your customer avatar. So he shows you what your dream customer profile should look like. Now you need to have an idea who your customer is, what are his pain points, what are his pleasure points, who is the actual customer you're looking into. This may be a little boring to do, but it's definitely very, very important to understand. That is, when you set up the funnel, when you have the customer avatar in mind, then it is easy to set up your funnel. Now this is the meat of this program, which he calls as the champion maneuver. Okay, here he teaches you first the overview, now how he is going to set up the funnel. This is the exact system what he uses in his system, and he shows you his actual system also. Okay, now the process will remain the same, but the products will be different. Okay, it depends on what you choose. Now the funnel starts with an opt-in page where you get your prospective leads into your system, whom you can later follow up through the autoresponder series with basically 4 emails, and you can extend to more emails later. Now the most important part of this program what is teaching is these videos, the video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4. These are not very long videos, just short videos, maybe 2 to 4 minute videos. Teaches you what you're passionate about and how you have gone through this sales process and making money. So he teaches you how to make this video step by step, what to tell in these videos. Okay, and then each of these videos is delivered one day at a time. So when your prospect comes into the opt-in page, he is also taken to the autoresponder, and then he will get the email, and directly also he will go to the video where he can look at the video, and then from this email also he will get a link when he can watch this video. Now each of these emails will have a link to each of these videos, and day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and below these videos you have the link to the product which they can purchase. Okay, now he explains to you the theory behind this and why making a relationship is so important. See, product itself is not important. People will buy you because you are selling it. So you will have to come in front of the camera. So do not be afraid. Okay, so don't worry. It is very, very easy to make these videos like I'm making this review video. Okay, I am not so experienced, but I am making this review video. So this is what he teaches here. So if you can make that relationship, which is the key to this program, if you can make a relationship by putting these videos, then definitely you'll be successful with the system. So this is the opt-in page you can create. He tells you what to write in this opt-in page and how to set it up. Okay, then from here it goes to each day how to, this is his YouTube channel where he creates his videos and then he links this to his page builder. And he also shows you the exact video he is using in his business, which you can have a watch and take tips from that and make your own videos. So he goes through each day's video, how to set it up, day 1, day 2, day 4, and finally he shows you how to integrate this all to your own domain. Basically you do a branding. Okay, so this is the main meat of the program. And then once the prospect comes into your autoresponder, because everybody will not buy from you the first time you show the product, you have to repeatedly show. So that is why you follow up with the email marketing. So he shows you how to set up the 4 messages, one every day in the autoresponder, and he also gives you all the 4-day swipe file through a Google Doc. So you can use the exact same swipe file he is using, but you need to make your own videos. Okay, so once your funnel is set up now what remains is to send traffic to your opt-in page. Now Dan talks about paid traffic and also free traffic. Now paid traffic he shows you to use a solo ad vendor who is a very good vendor, and he sends you highly targeted leads to your opt-in page. This is mainly for the make money online niche. Okay, now I personally use solo ads from 2 different sources. One is Udemy, where you can go and search for vendors where people have actually got sales and higher opt-in rates. Okay, and another place where you can look for solo ad vendors is Facebook. You can just type in solo ad testimonials and you will be taken to different pages where you can find testimonials of actual users, and then select one of the solo ad vendors according to your budget and then place an order with him to drive traffic to your opt-in page. This is the paid traffic. And the free traffic, this is an awesome method which people are using, which is the YouTube. And many people are afraid to come on the camera, but let me tell you, this method is based on making a relationship with your customers, and it is very essential that you have a YouTube channel. Now Dan shows you in brief how to set up your channel and how to research your keywords, and he also shows you a secret method how to boost your rankings. Now this keyword research and ranking, they use some tools which you have to purchase, but they are very small amount which you need to definitely invest in your business to make this system work for you. Okay, now if you had gone through my bonus page, you would have seen that I also included a YouTube ranking course which goes in depth how to set up your channel, how to set up your videos without even showing your face on the camera, and how to different methods how to boost your rankings. Okay, so this is paid and free traffic. There's one more free traffic which you can use, is a powerful Facebook profile. So you can leverage your Facebook profile to send traffic to your pages. So next is a free traffic method he uses to leverage your Facebook profile. So this Dan actually has made a course which is High Ticket Hero, which given you a link to access. So this you need to purchase this. It's for a very small one-time fee, where he takes you through how to actually leverage your Facebook by putting some videos and all that, which is very easy to do. You can follow this method. You can access the upgrades here, and then he shows you one more method to get free leads, which is one of the social media which you can leverage, and this whole course you get just for $1. Okay, if you want you can pick this up and learn how to do this. Now there are some additional bonuses he offers which are awesome. You can pick them up here. Okay, and this is the overall program which I have explained here, and if you follow this step by step, go through the mindset, set up your tools, and execute exactly what he has told you, and use the traffic methods he has given, definitely you will be able to sell any product. It requires some practice and some time to set up everything, but definitely you can make money with this program. You'll receive all this and all my bonuses if you pick up only the front end for $12.95, which is a no-brainer. Now let's jump into the upsells. Now this is the front end product, which is the Grand Champion, costing you $12.95. You learn how to sell any product using the indirect selling method which Dan teaches you step by step, A to Z, using free or paid traffic to drive sales to the system. This is 100% proven by Dan himself, and which has made him multiple 3-4 figures days. This has been perfected over the last 9 months, and now Dan is sharing with the rest of the community. Upsell number 1 is Champions Arsenal, costing you $37. There's an upsell for $27. You get full 30-day campaign which he is using himself to generate consistent sales. Upsell number 2 is a Champion Secret, costing you $67, where you get Dan's personal solo ad funnel in the Make Money Online niche, which is personally using to generate instant sales and hit leaderboards. Okay, he has perfected this funnel for the past 6 months, and he gets guaranteed sales each time he uses it. Now you can also use this powerful funnel. Upsell number 3 is Ultimate Champion, which is costing $47. There's a downsell for $37. You get the exact campaign Dan uses to generate high ticket sales, ranging from $800 to $1700 commissions. This campaign will ensure that all leads that enter your funnel will be maximized, and you have the potential to earn 10x your income. This is the ultimate thing which will turn you into an ultimate champion. Okay, upsell number 4 is Meeting the Champion, which is costing around $197, downsell for $97. You have a chance to meet the champion himself through a one-on-one coaching. You can pick his brain and unlock the secrets for you to become a internet marketing champion. Okay, Dan has held these coachings before to help his customers land their first high ticket sale. Okay, upsell number 5 is Champions Arena, which is costing $147 and downsell for $97. Basically, you can make 100% commissions from all Dan's and Philips past products. You get license rights to Superstar, Cash Rain, Kingdom Builder, Dark Knight Commission, High Ticket Hero, Forsaken Traffic, and also Grand Champion. Basically, you can choose any of these products to use with Grand Champion method and make twice the money. Okay, awesome. It's not necessary to you purchase any of the upsells, but it is sufficient to have the front end. But definitely these upsells will help you in multiplying your income. So these are the key benefits which I have already discussed. This is covered by a 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, and I urge you to go through all these bonuses and pick up Grand Champion before the price rises. Thank you so much for watching my Grand Champion review. See you until next. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye.